Come sign up to the pre-Empire era and join the Clone Wars. Welcome to another 3D printing video, guys. Today we have finally finished our very first Venator-class Star Destroyer. It's come out really good. This one's not small, but it's around 40 centimeters long, and we do plan to do a much bigger one, because bigger is always better. We'll just pan around and have a look at the engines in the back, because it looks pretty dang awesome. How about that, huh? Be able to send all the clone troops in with this bad boy. Then our doors on the front open as well, so the hangar bay, and then we can launch all of our bombers and fighters. What do you guys think about that? Let me know what you think. Check out the detail in the side too. This one comes with an awesome stand. Dun, 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 dun.